Hello children, I hope you all are doing good. Okay, parents, we are going to revise all the lessons today. Children, do you all remember what we have learned? We have learned so many rhymes, wild animals, domestic animals, fruits and vegetables. So now we are going to revise all the lessons today. We will start with our first topic for today, which is rhymes. You all remember how many rhymes we have done? We have learned 3 rhymes. The first one is rain, rain, come again. The second one, twinkle, twinkle, little star. And the third one is I hear thunder. Come on, now we will start with our revision. The first rhyme. Rain, rain, come again. Rain, rain, come again today. Little children love to say, rain, rain, come again. One more time. Okay. Rain, rain, come again today. Little children love to say, rain, rain, come again. Okay children, come on, clap your hands. I hope you all are doing actions also, right? Very good. Now we'll move on to our second rhyme, which is twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very good. One more time. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very good children. Now we are going to revise the third rhyme. You all remember the third rhyme? I hear what? I hear thunder. Yes. So come on, we'll start with the rhyme. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. Very good children. Okay children, very good. Clap your hands. Very good. I'll tell your mama to give you a star and a chocolate. You all want chocolate? Yes, you all love it? Very good. Now we are going to move on to our next topic, which is opposite words. You all remember we learned some opposite words? The opposite for big is small. The opposite for laugh is cry. The opposite for short is tall. You all remember? Come on, we will revise it. The opposite for big is small. Big, small, short. The opposite word for short is tall. Yes, come on, say it with teacher. Short, tall. The opposite for laugh is cry. The opposite for laugh is cry. Very good children. Come on, clap your hands. One more star, I'll tell your mama to give it to you if you are saying along with teacher. Okay? Okay children, so let's move on to our next topic for today, which is parts of the body. You all remember? Parts of the body, eyes, nose, mouth, ears. Come on, we will revise it. Sure? Eyes. One more time. Come on, repeat with teacher. Eyes. We see with our eyes, right? So, eyes. Very good. Come on, one last time. Eyes. Very good. Now, the second part of the body. You all know what is this? This is nose. Come on, say with teacher. Nose. One more time. Nose. Very good. Now, what do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose, right? Yes, when mama cooks delicious food, we smell it with our nose. Very good. So this is nose. Yes. Now the next body part. What is this? This is mouth. Come on, say it with teacher. Mouth. One more time. Mouth. We eat with our mouth, right? Yes. So mouth. Come on, say it with teacher. Mouth. Okay, so the next part of the body is ears. Come on, say it with teacher. Ears. When mama calls you, so you hear with your ears, right? Yes, so ears. Very good. Come on, say it with teacher. Ears. Yes. Come on, one more time. Ears. Very good, children. Now the next part of the body, we eat with our hand. Yes? So, hands. Very good. Come on, say it with teacher. Hands. Yes. One more time. Hands. We play ball also with our hand, right? We throw the ball and we catch the ball. So, hands. Very good, children. Now, the next part of the body is, first tell me, do you like to jump? Do you like to run? So we jump with the help of our legs, right? And we run also with the help of our legs. So the next part of the body is legs. Come on, say it with teacher. Legs. One more time. Very good, children. So I hope you all are learning the parts of the body also. Yes? Good girls and good boys. Now we'll move on to our next topic, which is domestic animals. You all remember who are domestic animals? We can see them around us, we can touch them, right? These are called domestic animals. Very good. So now we are going to revise the domestic animals. Come on. So which animal is this? This is cat. Come on, say cat. Which animal is this? Goat. Very good. Say it along with teacher. Goat. Which animal is this? Cow. Come on, say it with teacher. Cow. Horse. We ride on a horse, right? हम लोग horse पे riding करते हैं. Yes. So horse. Come on, say it with teacher. Horse. Very good. One more time. Horse. Now you all will say it. Come on, say. Very good. Horse. Now the next animal, which is, who says bow bow? It's a dog. Yes. Come on, say it with teacher. Dog. We see them on the roads, right? Yes. So dog. Come on, say it with teacher. Dog. Very good. Very good, children. Now we are moving on to our next topic for today, which is vegetables. I hope you all are eating vegetables at home so that you stay strong and healthy. You must eat vegetables every day, okay, so that you stay fit and healthy. Come on, we will revise the vegetables. Potato. Yes. Which vegetable is this? This is potato. You all eat French fries? Yes? Yeah. So that French fries is made out of potato. Very good. Say it with teacher. Potato. Very good. One more time. Potato. Pumpkin. What is the name of this vegetable? Pumpkin. Come on, repeat with teacher. Pumpkin. Very good. One more time. Yes. Pumpkin. Very good. Now our third vegetable for today. Which is this vegetable? It is having a crown. Okay, children. This is brinjal. Yes. Which vegetable is this? This is brinjal. You know what? This brinjal is king of all the vegetables. Yes. Why you know? Because it has a crown on its head. Yes, so this vegetable is king of vegetables. So whenever teacher asks you which vegetable is the king of vegetables, you all need to say brinjal. Okay, one more time. Brinjal. Okay, so our next vegetable is tomato. Very good. Come on, say it with teacher. Tomato. One more time. Tomato. You all know we eat french fries with what? We eat french fries with ketchup, right? So that ketchup is made out of tomato. Very good. It's a carrot. Come on, say it with teacher. Carrot. Yes, we use carrot in salads, right? We eat carrots, right? So we should eat carrots. You know why? It will improve our vision. It will improve our vision. You all know what is the meaning of vision? We can see very nicely. Yes. Okay. So we should eat carrots. Okay, children. Which vegetable tastes spicy? Which vegetable tastes hot? Chili. Yes, it's very hot. Chili. Come on, say it with teacher. Chili. Very good. One more time. Chili. Very good, children. Now the next vegetable is onion. Mama makes pakoda, bhajia, right? So it is made out of onion. Okay? Come on, say with teacher now. Onion. One more time. Onion. Now repeat with teacher. Onion. Very good, children. One last time. Onion. Very good. Okay, children, so now we are moving on to our next topic for today, which is shapes. You all remember we have learned shape. Which shape we have learned? We learned circle. You all remember? Yes, so circle. Come on, repeat with teacher. Circle. One more time, your pointer finger and come on, make a circle. Circle. Very good, children. Now, we are going to learn one more shape today. You all know which shape? We are going to learn square today. Square has 4 sides, right? So, square. Come on, take your pointer finger. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, square. Come on, make it one more time. Pointer finger, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, standing line, square. You all know the bread we eat, bread jam we eat, right? So the shape of the bread is square. Yes, so square. Come on, say it with teacher. Square. Yes. Mama gives you handkerchief, right? When you cough or sneeze, you take your handkerchief, right? So the shape of the handkerchief is also square. Yes, okay. So, square. Very good. Very good, children. I hope you all are studying at home with mummy. Yes, good girls and good boys. Now, we are going to say bye. But before saying bye, I need to talk to your mummy. Parents, some of the lessons are to be continued in the next video. Okay, children. Bye. Take care of yourself and your family.